play Spot the Difference. To play, press the green arrow. These pictures aren't quite the same. Can you spot the difference? Look for something different and click on it. Find more things that are different. Almost done. You did it! Elmo likes this game. Want to play more? Press the arrow. Oh, good eye! Oh, you found it! Oh, you found it! Almost done! Find something that's different and click on it. Look closely to find different colors, shapes, or something missing. Oh, Elmo thinks you should try looking for something different over here. You did it! Oh, that was fun! Let's play more. Press the arrow. Oh, good eye! Oh, you found